Hello, my old Gage friends. Welcome back to Guy's Trains. Tonight we're running my little switcher, the Santa Fe crane car, and we added another one by the CP Rail. We got a couple of guys in that Union Pacific caboose. They're sleeping. All right. Anyway, we're here running some trains tonight, enjoying the hell out of it. Got this beautiful freight train down. I just love that cannon. I'm gonna look at that cannon all the time. It's a great cannon car. But anyway, getting back to the other night, I was trying to figure out how to operate this Santa Fe crane. This one actually works with TMCC or Legacy, and this is a hand crank that you gotta crank it. Here comes the Tuskegee. Tuskegee. Here comes the Tuskegee Airman 72, SD70. And there's the world-famous Eric's train. Now take a look at some of these boxcars we got down here. We got the Beatles, Elvis Presley. Speaking of RMT, I hear a lot of talk about RMT out there. I bought those two tanker cars about a year and a half ago. Three of them actually. And I knew right away I liked the cars. There's no question about it. They have hatches that open on the top. I mean, the detail is like they look like real tanker cars. RMT is making good stuff. I said it then and I stick with it. And they're definitely going to blow Menards away. Menards got a little bit better quality control and they'll have a nice market. But, you know, the couplers, the biting engine, and it works one day, you got to send it back to get fixed. Happened to me, I'm not just saying that. And I love this stuff. I mean, that new Milwaukee Road diesel that they got, it's a beautiful engine. F3 or whatever, I think it's an F3 or F4, F7. I'm not that detailed. I don't count rivets. You know, as you can tell, gentlemen, I count by cars. 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars. Anyway, you know how it is. You get the fever and you want to build a longer track, a bigger track. You can run more freight. You can run passenger and freight together. You know. But you can do it on any size track. If you're very skillful. I see some layouts out there. They're beautifully designed and they're only 8 feet, you know. Not that this one is much bigger, but when I first got into this, I was thinking of going HO. HO would have given me a lot of room here. But you don't know where you're going to go in the hobby until you get into it and see what you actually... What you like, what kind of trains you like, what kind of cars you like, what kind of box cars you like, you know, what turns you on, you know, with the cabooses. Is it fantasy scheme or is it, you know, the realism of a train, the detail, like every rivet. So, it's a pretty cool hobby when it comes to that. As you guys gotta know how to be an electrician. You gotta play around with that a little bit. You gotta play around with carpentry. You know, It's better than the kids playing with iPads today. They should go back to these hobbies and they would have great skills. So I'm just talking and hanging out. I came back from work about an hour ago. I'm getting ready to get in the sack so I can get up tomorrow. But I wanted to view those crane cars. So I actually did figure out how to work it with the Legacy remote. I was telling you guys, I was asking people out there if they knew anything about it. You know. But I realized on the Legacy they have a special section in the remote, as you can see here. Yeah, I have it programmed in Engine 5. So hold on. Just to show you. Engine. Five. All right. Engine 5. Okay, there you go. That's the crane. So I started. Okay. And then you have all the different options to raise the boom. As you can see here, I'm having a problem getting my finger on where I want to talk. All right, right. Raise the boom, the hook, the small hook, the front light, the rear light, outriggers. Pretty cool. I never had a cab 1, so I have nothing to compare it to, but a lot of guys out there have a cab 1, and so they know it's easier because this crane, the Santa Fe, is designed to really work with the cab 1. But it works on it, it's good. So thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate any feedback and anything like that. And again, leave a comment with anything you guys want to talk about, something as far as the track, you know, what we're going to do with it. Give me some ideas. I'm open-minded, without question. I'm running out of ideas. I was thinking about maybe just raising this section and putting the scenery up a little bit on a mountain. I don't know. Let me know. All right, guys, let's watch one more time my little reading. Locomotive Shops, 1251. Let me go by with that crane. On the next video, I'm going to show you how I operate it. I'm just getting used to it. It's pretty wild. Gives you something to do. You can actually make a little construction zone on your layout. Where you get the crane and pick it up, and you got little bulldozers that work. Good for the mind. That's what it's good for. In case you guys want to know. Listen to those sounds. All right, guys. See you on the next shoot. Take care, my old gauge friends.